All right, everybody, I'm going to set my camera down real quick, but I'm going to show you, wish I had my bottle on me, how I clean my siding on my own with nothing but a pressure washer. Without a pressure washer, with just a pump sprayer. Let me go get what I got here and show you what I use. All right, so I went down to my local Lowe's store, and I didn't buy the bleach. I heard bleach is not great for vinyl siding, and I'm doing vinyl siding. So I decided to try this for the first time. It's a 30-second outdoor cleaner concentrate. It's 1-to-1, so I put a gallon of water and a gallon of this, and all I used was pump sprayer, just like this. Just Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever, pump sprayer for your yard. This is near Roundup pump sprayer and a gallon of water and a gallon of this product. And I figured before I got started, I should have went ahead and made a video just to see how this stuff works. But since I didn't, and I only did half of the small section that I was going to do, I wanted to show you a before and after. So this is what it looked like right here. That's what it looked like. This is what the section that I just cleaned looks like beside it. So I figured, and I haven't rinsed it yet, so you still got to rinse it, which will get some more of it off, and then if you find any more spots, you can hit them. So it should come pretty clean, but I figured I've got to show this on video how fast this works. So I'm going to set up my camera here in the ground. I don't have any other place to put it. And spray that side, and let's see what it does. Hopefully the video doesn't get too boring for you, because we're going to do this in real-time video. How long does it take? I'm not going to fast forward. I'm just going to do some real-time, and let's watch this stuff work as it works. Let's see how it does. And away we go. I've already sprayed the plants, watered down everything, just in case. My wife would kill me if I messed up her plants. So I'm hoping that it doesn't, because like I said, this is my first time using this stuff. I think the hardest part is holding this jug. I might change it to stream so I can hit the top real well. Now I'm going to step over here and do this section I already did. Just the spots that are still there. I think that worked out pretty good. A couple spots on there that haven't came off, but I'm hoping that when I blast it with the water, I'm gonna start over here where I started off at, which I hit it again, like I said, a second time. But this whole wall right here, this entire wall looked like that ended a minute ago. So yeah, that's pretty quick. Look at that. Just a pump sprayer. I still got stains, but it does say that if a stain doesn't come off, you might have to hit it with a brush, maybe a broom or something. So I'm gonna start with rinsing and see how that does, and then I might hit them spots one more time, and then if I have to, I'll brush it. But that turned out pretty good, guys.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay, so yeah, I rinsed it. I said, heck, that came out so good. I'm not gonna complain about that. Wow, I still got a little bit more here in the bottle. Maybe we'll bring it around to this side. Yeah. All right, let's do that. Let's do this side. There's nothing like a little bit of real-time video. Uh-oh, my camera might have slipped. Let me take a look, see if that thing didn't slip or if I'm gonna get this whole video. Real-time video. Yeah, I think we'll get enough of it. Don't worry about it. No,
Jesus Christ.
I'm a cleaning, honey.
That's not gonna kill the bushes, are they?
No, says root the plants, won't hurt plants.
You know, I saw that on the
Is it what?
I'm real fast. Look, is that fucker pissing? Oh, you're peeing up there. I'm thinking, oh, you're pretty, huh?
No.
I'm gonna come out and help you. I don't know where where's the tractor?
Down back.
Oh. That is fucking straight up damn bleach.
No, that's not smell.
It smells like it.
There's bleach in it, I'm sure of it. Chlorine or something. I think that's chlorine.
Alright, well.
I read the bottle.
It got extremely hot.
Huh?
It got extremely hot up from before.
It's hot. Look at that, just a couple minutes.